Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Winter is the perfect time to really see what weeds are in your lawn. And I'm going to show you 3 weeds that you need to look for at this time of year. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So the first weed I want to talk to you about it's called dead nettle. And you'll notice this one, especially in the spring. It'll have a light purple flower at the top of it. It is an evergreen, so you'll see it in your landscaping beds now. The leaf of it is kind of wrinkly looking and it has a heart shape. Now this is very invasive, just like the other weeds I'm going to talk to you about, but this one's very invasive. And it doesn't take off until spring when those temperatures start to warm up. Because what it's done in the spring of last year, it's laid a lot of those seeds out, okay? And so this coming year, those seeds have already spread and they're taking root. They're dormant right now, but they're going to come back up in the spring and they're really going to take off. The second most common weed I see in a lot of lawns is the mouse ear hawkweed. And that's not a very common term in a lot of these weeds that we see in our lawns, but it is a very invasive weed and it's very toxic. So you'll see around it, you'll see a lot of dead grass around it, especially in the winter. You'll see some dying areas around your grass because of the toxic chemicals that it actually excretes from its leaves. So it's going to look a lot like a dandelion in the spring and heading into summer, but it's only going to get about 10 inches where a dandelion gets up probably around 18. It's very small. Right now it's going to probably be hidden in your grass and around some leaves, but you won't see any flowers, of course, but you'll see the shape of the leaves. Dandelion will have more of a serrated edges. This is going to be a clear edge. It's going to look just like a mouse ear. Okay, so look for that one, and you can either pull it up or we can treat it with what I'm going to show you later on in the video. So the third weed is very common. I know a lot of you have seen this one, and it's called chickweed. You'll see this in a lot of garden beds, landscaping beds, and in the lawn as well. Right now, it's going to look pretty dormant. Now it's still going to be like an evergreen, but it's going to be kind of creeping. It'll start creeping at this point because it's getting its bounds, or it's finding its boundaries, and it's going to kind of creep out into your lawn. If it's not already in your lawn already, then it's going to start really spreading, okay? Now in the spring, when it starts coming up, it's going to be that small little white flower, and it's going to be very, very fleshy. So if you go to run over it with a lawnmower or hit it with a weed eater, it's really going to be fleshy and it's going to be all over your pants or whatever you're wearing, and you'll really notice it then. Right now, it's going to kind of lie still and under the radar until spring comes. What we can do to treat these 3 types of weeds is, first of all, in September, October, we should have put out a pre-emergent. That right there is the best you can do to stop these from really germinating in the spring, okay? So you do that in October, and it'd be good to do that again in January, February, okay, right before these 3 weeds start to really pop up, okay? So the second thing we can do is we can spray them, okay? You can use this spray now, and it doesn't matter, any type of spray will pretty much do the job. This is one I've been using for a long time. It works on all 3 of those. If you notice them in your lawn or in your landscaping beds or garden beds, right now you can spray them and it can start to kill them off. The third thing we can do is start to pick them out, and just do it by hand using a tool to make sure you get the roots out. The one that would be the trickiest for doing it by hand would be the chickweed, because it spreads pretty far, okay? And if you really are not looking for it and really identifying it, it's going to be hard to get all that up by hand. So if you can find it right now and identify it, it'd be best just to spray it and hope that kills it before spring. Remember, if you haven't put out the pre-emergent, you can put that out again in March and stop it from germinating for the following year. So this is just a few ways that you can try to eradicate these weeds from your lawn and landscaping beds, because they are very invasive, and it's good to take action now and not suffer from it in the spring, because we all like to get out in the spring and enjoy putting out mulch, pine straw, sprucing up our beds, and we don't want to spend a lot of time dealing with weeds. So I hope this video helps you out, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.